Introducing the R7 Rotator from Nelson Irrigation, built for performance, precision, and efficiency. Featuring a modular design for easy customization, the R7 is engineered to adapt to your system's needs. Its nozzle is protected from insects, and the quick clean flow control nozzle makes maintenance simple and fast. Delivering high uniformity with an impressive throw distance similar to the R10, the R7 ensures consistent, reliable coverage across your orchard. And with lower pressure operation, you'll save energy without compromising performance. The R7 starts flow regulating at just 10 psi, while most pressure compensating products begin at 20 to 25 psi. The R7 Rotator, smarter design, stronger performance, and proven efficiency from Nelson Irrigation.